everyone and welcome back to our channel. Google Forms is a powerful free tool for businesses to collect customer feedback, register clients, manage surveys, and even take orders. Whether you're a small business owner, entrepreneur, or company manager, Google Forms can help you streamline operations and save time. Now let's dive into how to use it effectively for your businesses. The first step is to open Google Forms, and to do that, just visit forms.google.com or go to workspace.google.com, products, then forms, and then log in using your account's credentials. Once you log in, you'll be directed to your account's dashboard. From here, click on blank form or choose a pre-made template, for example, order feedback surveys. Now, as I chose the blank form, the second step is to add a business title and description. You can give your form a professional name like customer feedback form or product order form. This for this example. Now in the description, explain the purpose of the form. For example, collection reviews. You can also choose taking orders or signing up clients depending on your need. As for the third step is to add essential questions. Some useful fields for business form include, now let's try and add the question. You can also add the question for customer's name, email address and phone number, service and product interested in, orders details or customer requests, and a rating scale for feedback. You can use linear scale for that, and you can also use upload a file for which is optional for invoices, ID or proof of payments. The fourth step is to make important field required. Now click in each question and toggle the required to ensure users fill them out. You can toggle the required by clicking on this section right here. As for the fifth step is to automate responses and notifications. And to do that, just click on settings and under responses, enable get email notification for new responses. The sixth step is to design and branding. And you can do that by clicking on the color palette here to customize theme, to customize colors, fonts, and add the company logo. The seventh step is to share your business form. And you can do that by clicking on publish and then clicking again on publish and clicking on the share icon and turn on from the restriction option from restricted to anyone with the link and copy the responder's link. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now your business form is now live. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.